House lawmakers are probing Harvard's ties to the Chinese Communist Party. This is after whistleblowers revealed that the Ivy League school has cultivated ties with elite CCP members and maintained close formal relationships directly with CCP entities.
Now, chairman of the Select Committee on the CCP and Congresswoman Elise Stefanik are demanding Harvard to disclose all documents, agreements, and financial records that relate to their dealings with the Chinese regime over the past 10 years. In a letter to Harvard's president, the lawmakers expressed concerns about the school cultivating relations with, quote, one of the most powerful bodies within the Communist Party. Also spotlighted is the Harvard Kennedy School's formal partnership with the Chinese Executive Leadership Academy, Pudong. The partnership allows for the CCP elite, that is, senior Communist Party leadership positions, participate in training at Harvard in the United States. Harvard has until next week to hand over documents regarding such ties to the Chinese Communist Party.